How to predict a person's date of birth.
Hi, Sophie, how are you?
Hi, Sam, I am good and you?
I am going good. I can predict your date of birth.
Really? How?
Take the number of the month in which you were born. And don't tell me, keep it in your mind.
It's June 26th. Took 6.
Double the answer.
2 times 6 equals 12.
Add it to 5.
12 plus 5 equals 17.
Multiply it by 5.
17 times 5 equals 85.
Put a 0 behind the answer.
It's 850.
Add the date of birth.
850 plus 26 is equal to 876.
Tell me the final answer.
Final answer is 876.
Your date of birth is June 26th.
Wow. How did you do it, Sam?
Well, it's quite simple. Subtract 50 from the last 2 digit to get date. And subtract 2 from first digit to get month.
Cool. For more such interesting videos, please like, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.